Welcome to SSC Media Science, Sports and Cinema. This is Geetacharya.
This is Bharat Krishna. Oppo Enco M31, which we introduced to you a couple of weeks ago. Please check the video link below. Are fully featured for the price with LDAC, high resolution, wireless audio certification, IPX65 water resistance, or we shall say it as splash proof, and AA powered noise cancellation for voice calls, all at a price which is very affordable. The best thing is the availability of LDAC in very low budget range. As you can see, these are neckband style of Bluetooth earphones. The speakers attach magnetically and turns off when they are attached to each other. The neckband is made of rubber, which is quite comfortable when using without any issues. All the three controls are on the left side of the band. You can see all the three controls on the left side. And the notable thing about Oppo Enco M31 is the earbuds, which are made in such a way that looking at them we can easily identify which one is the left one and which one is the right one. The cables of the earphones are quite sturdy, but we cannot say the same about the neckband, as it is apparently look flimsy. But no problem arose in our usage type. They are made just good. The top button increases the volume, the middle button reduces the volume, and the lower button controls the playback. This is an odd way of button arrangement. The buttons are quite large, but the odd layout makes it difficult to get easy to them for a few people. The earbuds fits completely flush within your outer ear. If it is a TWS style of earphone, you can't even see them from the front. This also means you can lie on your side while wearing them in bed, which is very nice in these lazy days. The lightweight design and these minute touches makes you love these unless you consider the elephant in your room. That's the battery life. Similar priced and similar style earphones gives us a battery life of about 16 to 20 hours. But with LDAC off, we get about 11 hours of battery life. But the biggest selling point is LDAC support and high resolution audio certification. Then why should we turn off now? With LDAC turned on, we get battery life of anywhere between 6.5 to 8.5 hours. Average time is generally higher than 8 hours as advertised most of the times. Now coming to the sound quality, which is the most important thing. The Oppo Enco M31 comes with no companion app. Thank God, that's one less app on your phone. You pair them normally through your phone's Bluetooth settings. As there is no NFC, you would have to do it manually. The only option here are select Oppo phones running ColorOS 7.0 or higher. On these phones you should get a quick pairing prompt to speed up the pairing process. The earphones support Bluetooth 5.4 with a range of about 10 meters. The Enco M31 uses LDAC, AAC or SBC codecs. You can enable the bass mode by double clicking the universal button, which is the bottommost key. Here you can see. There is also AA powered noise cancellation for ambient sound during calls, which ensures the person you are calling hears your voice better. The Enco M31 are the best wireless earphones you can get in this price category and also several higher price points. They are the most musically pleasing pair of earphones I have tried in a long time. I don't remember using any in this price range. You can't get better pair up until 8,000 rupees at least in the current market. The audio is well balanced. The sounds are crisp and clean. You can be happy listening to your favorite songs even when traveling on bike. No, you should not be the driver. We don't encourage such feats. The sound signature is well balanced. The bass boost, double hitting the universal button twice is good. It renders all the musical instruments and vocals crystal clear. The voice and instruments sound how they should.
Oppo Enco M31 is one of the best earphones which we have tested and used in this price range of 2000 rupees, available on Amazon in offers, and otherwise it is priced generally 2499 or 2999 depending on the mood of the Amazon sellers. So when it comes to sound quality, when you are using it as a for phone calls, it is very good. And when it comes to listening to the music, literally none, no device comes closer to its performance while it is in the bass mode or in the mid tones or in the higher sounds or whatever it is. Every instrument crystal clear, can be heard crystal clear, and even the vocals are very crisp, and they sound as they are intended by the music producers. And apart from these are clearly splash proof with IPX5 and sweat proof and very comfortable to wear because of the rubber neckband which is very lightweight. And above them, the important thing is in games you do get some lag in between, but just like when you are hitting the button, the sound will be listened later. But otherwise, there is very minimal lag when it comes to recording the audio or when listening to the music. That's it. This is Geeta Charya signing off. Video and share it. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.